So let's start drafting the back. So first of all, we will mark the full length of the back. So the full length of the back is 16 3/4. So this is 16 3/4. We'll mark it A and B. And from here I will mark across shoulder, which is 7 3/4, and we'll mark it as C. From C I will mark 3 inches down as a reference line. Now B to D, which is the center back length, that is 16 1/4. Not gonna add any extra inches here. This is D, and 4 inches square out. So let's square out 4 inches like this. Now here we will mark the back neck. Back neck plus 1/8 inches. So back neck is 2 5/8 plus 1/8 is 2 6/8, and we'll mark it as F. Now from B we will mark the back arc plus 3/4. So back arc is 8 1/8 plus 3/4 is 8 7/8. This is E. We'll draw a line here. Should be perpendicular to A and B. This, and from E we will draw a reference line I am drawing approximate 23 centimeters. Now the shoulder slope. So shoulder slope is 16 5/16 plus 1/8. So 5/16 plus 1/8 will be 7/16. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is 6 7, and it will go somewhere here. We will mark it inside, which is G. We'll draw a line here. From B to G, a line. Now from F we will mark shoulder length plus 1/2 inches for the shoulder dart, and this may be go through this point G, and shoulder length was 5 1/8 plus 1/2 is 5 5/8. Sorry, 5 5/8 is 1 2 3 4 5, this point, and this is point H, and we will draw a line. So from B we will mark 3 inches as where our dart placement will be. We will name it as I. From B we will mark a back we will mark a measurement which is waist arc, and we will add 1/2 so the waist arc is 6 1/8. We will add 1 1/2 plus 1/4 of inches, so it will be total 7 7/8 inches. So 7 7/8 inches is here, and this is point J. And now we will mark our dart from point I, which is 1 1/2 inches, and we will mark a center. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So these are 12 strands. We will mark the center. This is K, and we will call it L. And from the point J we will mark down 3/16. So 3/16 is middle of this 1 2 3. This is point M, and from point M we will mark our side length. Side length is 8 1/8. So this is side length. I will keep my marking from the point M. This is point M, and we'll mark on the line E, and this is point M. We will join both the points. From point L we will mark a line 1 inch is less than this, 1 inch is less than the M to N, which is our side length. So this will be 7, and this is point O. This is point O, and from this point we will mark our dart lines, which will be 1/8 past our points, like this. Now this is the point, this is the point, and we will draw a slight curve lines from B to I, K to M. K to M can be drawn like this. Right? Now from here, 1/2 of this, so 1/2 of this will be 5/8. 1 2 this. Point P. From P we will mark a line till O, which is and 3 inches. This is point Q, and from this we will make a solid line. 1/4 both sides and 1/8 from both sides. We will join all the marking, and we will also join these points P to H, and we'll mark this as point R. This is point R. Now from here we will do the 1/2 of D to B, so it's one above. Two strands of a centimeter. This is point S. We'll mark 7 inches. And we will square up and down from this point. This is point T. So this is your back chest. Sorry, this is back. This is your back neck area, where we will draw a line perpendicular to F to H, like this. And from here I'm gonna mark, it must be 3/8. 1, 2, 3. 3/8. And from here we will draw a curved line, like this. And from this point H, point N, we will draw the armhole. Let's draw it. That's our armhole. So this is our back. So I have written on fold here because this is half of the back, and we will cut the fabric fold because we will make one piece on the back. So let's cut it out. We will cut this line, we will cut here, we will cut here. Before cutting, we will need to draw these points. So let's take a look how to cut it. So we have both back and front and back. So let's cut them. So before cutting, on the front we will mark the center of this. This is what was the center. Was it drawing of colors? So this is front, this is back. Let's take a look how to cut them. First of all, for this I have separated both of the parts because it will be easy to cut them. First of all, I'm gonna cut from here, from the side. So this was the wrong line. I think you must be remembered. This is wrong line, so we will cut from there. You see how it goes little bit down here. The shoulder. This line. So I would like to fold this because it will be easy for us to pin it. So I'm gonna fold it. So we are not going to cut like this or this, no. We will fold it through it. So first of all, we need to make both points meet. I'm going to cut the extra paper first to make it more easy, more convenient. So we can also use a scale. We can use the scale. We can. I'm using the scale to fold it like this. See? And the same for this line. I have marked the both. We need to make these both meet. So this is the outside of it should go this way. So we can cut from here, but I don't think so. Once this is meat, we can cut from here now. This will go like this. This is our front. Front. Let's label this. Let's see how we label it. So first of all, I am going to mark the lines. If I had made it with the pencil, I would have removed these lines. We will do exactly with the back. First of all, we will remove the extra paper. I'm gonna keep this paper for making collars or pockets. So don't throw it. If it's too small, just throw it. If it's big, then you must keep it. Try to do a little bit sustainable. Try to do things sustainably. Again for this, there is a dot, this is a dot, so we need to chew this also, because this is going to eliminate. This area is going to be inside, and this, and also this. So we need to chew this also. So again, I'm gonna fold on the line like this. Same for this. and we'll move this one to this one. So I'm going to cut the extra to make it easier, and when I fold it this way, so this is going up and this is down, so we will make it a line. So for this, I'm going to fold on the line. I'm going to fold this to keep it, because when we will try this on the